I've used Grammarly for more than 5 years, mostly because it was the best proofreading tool with all the features that I needed. But I was never comfortable with it. So the moment I got Apple Intelligence while testing the developer beta, I stopped using Grammarly and I haven't looked back since. Fantastic human, hello, it's Robsy with Paperless X. Let me get the Safari extension for Grammarly so I can show you my biggest issue with the proofreading AI. This is the reason I stopped using Grammarly. Giving the extension full access means that the Grammarly developers receive everything I type, including what I have typed before, and it can include sensitive information. That warning sent a chill down my spine, but there was not much I could do about it until Apple Intelligence. Now proofreading happens on my device. I was so ready for it, no matter how bad the proofreading was going to turn out to be. That was about 3 months ago. So obviously, since then, there is one or two things that I miss about Grammarly. Proofreading in Grammarly is automatic. You don't have to do anything while you're typing. It picks up errors and underlines them for you. For each suggestion, you have the option to accept or dismiss it. But more importantly, you can rate the suggestion, hoping the AI will keep learning and improve its suggestions in the future. I really miss the setup in Grammarly. It was well thought out and more intuitive than what you get with Apple Intelligence. Until this update, nothing happened until you had selected your text and chosen to proofread it. It's a lot easier now with Apple Intelligence on the toolbar because of the recent iPadOS 18.1 update, but it's still a lot of work. I'm happy to see the new icon, but I hope it becomes automatic because at the moment, even when you tap the feature, you still have to wait for the proofreading, and that eats into your productivity time when you have a lot to go through. You can view each suggestion and reject it if you don't want it. On the iPad, you can't edit your notes in this mode. The app won't give you the keyboard at all, and that is also limiting. But the macOS version of the app doesn't have this limitation, so you're forced to work with this on the Mac, which might not always be ideal. Another reason I miss Grammarly is the feedback setup we have in Apple Notes. It is not helping improve the AI to give you better suggestions like it is with Grammarly. With Apple Intelligence, you have to share your concerns with Apple, which includes sharing some of your notes. So the AI is not really improving as it should according to your writing. There are some things obviously that Apple Intelligence does better. Instant correction will save you a lot of time, whereas in Grammarly you have to approve every suggestion. With Apple Intelligence, you can simply undo the ones you don't want. It has helped me work faster because I don't have to interact with every change, only the ones I disagree with. It makes up for the time you lose waiting for the proofreading. Apple Intelligence is much better than Grammarly for me because I write technical stuff. Grammarly always struggled with understanding the context of ideas and items mentioned in my writing. I always had to pay more attention to the suggestions, which meant I couldn't trust the AI to just correct my work without having to check it. That problem is almost gone with Apple Intelligence, and that is the main reason I am still using the tool. There are a few things I hope to see with Apple Intelligence in the future. I look forward to having a dictionary to add technical terms to, and feedback to improve the feature for my writing. That way, I don't keep getting the same wrong suggestions with every writing. Would I ever go back to Grammarly? Certainly not. I like the privacy that comes with Apple Intelligence. It just gives me peace of mind. I wouldn't exchange that for anything. And now that the feature is public, I hope that it becomes more accurate than the beta, which is partly why I've already stopped my beta testing. What do you guys think about proofreading with Apple Intelligence? Let me know how your experience has been. Love to hear about it. Hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, fantastic one, for watching. See you in the next video.